Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club. And this video is going to be showing you how you can actually connect your wallet, your OKX wallet on the on-chain game that is chain game that is on-chain. The airdrop is ending tomorrow, 14th of June 2024. And as you can see right here, the instruction has been given to register your wallet for the claim. All right. So thing is, if you click on this register right here, okay, say view registration guide. The process has actually been stated here, but then for those that are not crypto savvy or that are new into crypto, or even some people that have been into crypto that may not know how to go about this thing, this video is actually to guide you. So I would like you to, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like the video. And you can also join us on our WhatsApp and Telegram group where you get more updates like this. So let's just continue. Now, what we need to do is to actually go to OKX and go and set up. We set up some of, if you don't have OKX, by the way, you need to first of all download it, install it on your phone, and then before we add our chain to the network, on-chain to the network, and then if you are new, you can go ahead and create or import wallets, as the case may be. But then let's just go to our OKX and then see how to go about these things. So we are right here on my OKX account. Now at the top here, by the way, if you don't have OKX, you can download it on Play Store for Android users, and you can also download it on App Store for iPhone users. So as I was saying, at the top right there, you can see exchange and wallet. So what you want to do is to click on wallet, as I have done right here. Click on wallet. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is to add the on-chain network. So you look at this top left corner right here that I'm just highlighting. This top left corner, these square dots. Yeah, just click on it, and then where you want to go is this place, custom network. So click on custom network. So what we want to do is to look for on-chain. Okay, if you can't easily get it, so you can just simply type it at the top here in the search box here. So just type on it, on chain. So you can see it has showed up, on chain mainnet. So for those of you that are doubting, this is mainnet and not testnet. So this is real, guys. This is real. So we click on it. So all we need to do is just to click on confirm. So we just click on confirm, and that has been added right there. So the next thing we are to do, let's just go back. The next thing we are to do is to actually add on-chain to the list of tokens you have on this entire list right here. So if you see this, okay, like we already have it here. Okay, yes, it has been added. So it means it has been added. But just in case you are not seeing your own here, what you can actually do is to click on manage crypto. Okay, manage crypto. So if you click on it, all the list of cryptos that have been added will show here, and then the ones that have not been added are the ones below. Okay, so basically from here upwards, with this all this red dash that you are seeing are the ones that have been added. So if you want to add any other one, you can come here and you can see the plus sign. That is to means that you should add them. Okay, so If in your own case you are not seeing your own on-chain um, token like this, okay, after adding the network as we have done, what you need to do is to simply come to the Easy Earners Telegram or WhatsApp group. So all you need to do, if you don't have your own showing on-chain token showing on the list, all you need to do is just to simply come to the Easy Earners Club WhatsApp and Telegram or Telegram group, and come and pick up your official on-chain contract address. Okay, so what you need to do is simply copy it. You copy, okay, edit it out, remove the top, this thing that is there, okay, and then copy, and then you go back um to your OKX account, and then you paste the contract address there. So in this case, it has been, you can see that the on-chain is showing, and then you are seeing the red minus sign. So the red minus sign simply means that it has been added. So if I want to remove it, I'll just click on this red minus sign. But in your own case, you are just adding. So what you'll be seeing is the plus sign right there instead of the minus sign. So that's just how to go about it. So the next thing we are to do right now is to go back to um our Telegram on-chain game Telegram bots. So we are back to the chain game or our on-chain Telegram airdrop. So we um click on this, okay, go ahead and then click on register. All right, so it has brought us, taking us to the website. Then simply click on connect, as you can see right here, connect, then sign. Before you connect, change this network, change the network. So we change the network to on-chain. As you can see, what is there is, if you look at it very well, what is there is um Ethereum logo. So we change it to, can change it to, okay, we change it to chain mainnet. Okay, so on-chain mainnet has been connected. All right, so we can just go ahead and click on this sign message. All right, so confirm, and then you can see the network on-chain mainnet. Very, very important, guys, very important. So we confirm, then you put in the password. The password you used to register on OKX, that's what you will put in. So, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. You can see the message right here. It says wallet is successfully registered for the on-chain token claim. Successfully registered. So that's how to go about it, guys. That's just how to go about it. So guys, the next thing is for us to see the price, the on-chain price. At what price is it are we going to be getting this airdrop? If you look at it right here, you can see on-chain, just below it you are seeing 0.043 US dollars, 0.4313. So I believe this is the price at which we will be getting our airdrop, or that is by next tomorrow, 15th of June 2024. So, but we did hear that, but this wasn't the listing price. Actually, it has, on-chain has actually been listed before now, and I think it listed at that is 10 cents. But then this price is not bad, not coin listed at 1 cent, but now we are getting it at 4 cents. So this is actually very good. And then, as you know, we are getting 33% this month of all tokens claimed, 33%. Then each quarter, that is every three months, you'll be getting additional 33%. So in other words, you are getting 1/3 of all the tokens you have mined for each quarter, starting from this month of June. All right, guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more updates. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when a new update has been uploaded on YouTube. But much more important than that is our WhatsApp and Telegram group. You can also join, and then you get lots of updates and information and tips and tricks on how to go about these airdrops, and then latest airdrops that actually do pay. All right, see you, stay blessed. This is the Easy Earners Club.